Today, we are talking about ways to improve your credit score. And I'm focusing on what are called hard inquiries versus soft inquiries, and why it's important to manage these two factors affecting your credit score. Hi there, this is Lori Dawn Stevenson with Century 21 Accord Realty in Swift Current, Saskatchewan. So let's dive right in and take a look at an easy, practical way to start building up your credit. This is to make sure you qualify to get the best possible home loan available to you. One of the factors on your credit report has to do with how many inquiries have been run on you to check your credit. Evidently, the creditor's reasoning here is that if you have too many inquiries, then you are needing to apply for credit on a regular basis, meaning you can't manage your money, and therefore they see you as a less desirable candidate, resulting in a lower score. Further, let me explain that there's what's called a hard or soft inquiry. You can think of these as kind of the good and bad inquiries. Too many bad inquiries can be ugly, and it can really tank your score. According to TransUnion Credit Bureau, hard inquiries include items that you've applied for, such as a car loan or a mortgage. When you apply for these, the lender or the bank need to make a hard inquiry to see your full credit report. Again, too many of these are bad. Soft inquiries, on the other hand, happen when you pull your own credit report, or if a lender or credit card company checks your credit to pre-approve you for an offer that you didn't apply for. Soft inquiries do not affect your credit score. Knowing that your score is affected by hard inquiries is the first step to managing your credit score. One more tip here, and this is one that many have learned the hard way. They go to a car dealer to buy a new car. They look at all the initial paperwork and application and figure, well, this should be no problem. So you sign a document giving them the authority to pull your credit. However, sometimes they check with multiple different banks. They want to get you the best rate possible, which is great, but that results in multiple hard inquiries on your credit report. Those can be a red flag to a lender for 2 years down the road until they fall off your report. Moral of the story, if you are planning on purchasing a home in the next 2, even 3 years, you should pay extra attention. Make sure you do not apply for too many loans. The rule of thumb is trying to keep under 4 or 5 in a 2-year period. When it comes to credit repair, knowing where you're at now and what you need to do next is best explained by a great lender. I work with all kinds of lenders, but when I get to help direct my clients, I have just a handful of lenders I recommend, because let's face it, not all lenders are created equal. This is Lori Dawn Stevenson, helping you move up to your Swift Current dream home.